Today we will be testing a momentum scalping indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum scalping indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 371 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 267 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,040 indicators, with 432 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum scalping indicator. And so the source video says Ultimate Momentum Trend Indicator, and it's free. And so the title checks out. It is a momentum indicator. Ultimate momentum indicator, I guess, is kind of debatable, and it is a free indicator. And so no bogus or wild claims in the source video's title in this particular case, but we will definitely put this indicator to the test and see what we can get out of it. And since it is just a single indicator, a standalone indicator, it will go on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And so the indicator we are specifically looking at and testing today is going to be the DSL trend analysis indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We'll keep the settings of this on the default settings. And so if I scroll back here just a little bit, get rid of these testing lines, you can see basically we have an area of, you can kind of call it green or teal, and then an area of tan, kind of a zone of tan and a zone of green. And you can see how price is kind of bouncing around those different zones. And what we are specifically looking for is how price interacts with these zones. And so when price is trading above both of these zones, then that should be a sign of upward momentum or an uptrend. And when price is trading below both of these two zones, that should be a sign of momentum to the downside or short or a downtrend. And so for a short trade, according to the source video, what we would look for is for price to be trading below the green or teal zone, and then for it to then cross down below the tan zone. And so you can see it kind of achieves both those right here on this candle. You can see the green zone is up here, the tan zone then jumps to above price action right here. And so that would be the signal to then enter into a short. We'd put our trade right here, put our stop at the top of the green zone right here, and then we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we just kind of bounce around there for a moment, then we make this really nice strong push to the downside. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, again, is we are looking for price action to be trading above both of these zones. Specifically, it should be trading above the tan zone, and then you should see it jump to above the green or teal zone. And you can see that take place right here. Again, really close together, but still a valid setup where it breaks through both of those zones to the upside, and that would be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we'd put our trade right there, and we would put our stop right at the bottom of the tan zone. And in this case, we are still targeting the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, kind of similar. We just kind of bounce around there for a moment, then we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy, or this indicator, I guess I should say. And so we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 46% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. So not a horrible indicator. I think it was over about 1 month of testing. And so after commissions and spreads and stuff like that, be down a little bit more, but still seems like it did reasonably well. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 28 trades altogether. We had 23 winning trades and 5 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $7,800. So pretty much doubling the indicator we tested. And so definitely better results. And with the position management strategy that we teach all of our patrons, definitely skyrocket that win rate to the high 90%, which would have put the total gain closer to the $13,000. And so significantly better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex Indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex Indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex Indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex Indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. Combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in backtesting over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. And for an update on the live trading account, so yesterday we closed out the 17th winning trade in a row, still a 100% win rate over those 17 trades using the crypto scalping strategy I just mentioned, as well as the position management strategy. And so we've been profitable over, just closed out our first month, again 100% profitability over those 17 trades in that 1 month, with a growth on the account of a little over 20% growth. I think somewhere around 22% growth. And so really great stuff from that strategy. I'll put a screenshot up of the trade we closed out yesterday on screen now, so you can take a look at that. And this indicator here, we're going to go ahead and put that on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.